Okay, let's go on this adventure. Oh, see, there's our after dinner walk. It's 69 Fahrenheit, 20.5 Celsius. We had enchiladas, TV dinner. And hold on, doggies. And look at the roses. Where the blooms at? Oh, yeah, there they are. Right there. Hold on, I want to show the roses off, sweeties. Look at that. Bunch of blooms. I don't know if you can tell or not. There's still some of them starting to open up. Look at the roses. Neighbors cutting grass. Oh, look at that one there. See that one there? See that one there? See that one there? Okay, let's go, doggies. Puppies. Let's go. Let's go. I cut the grass today. Wait a minute, hold on. Oh, lettuce. They're pulling me. Kale. I'm going to start separating them pretty soon. Oh, what are you guys doing? Hey, come here. Oh, they got a whole groundhog. I didn't see a groundhog. They both had a groundhog in their mouth. Ooh. I didn't know that the groundhog was out here. He'll learn. I was washing the garden. Surprised the heck out of me. Anyway, I cut the grass today. I got to trim the weeds now. I don't know if you can hear me over the lawnmower if the neighbor's running. It might be a little noisy. They both had that groundhog at each end.